Hello, today we are doing long division with the standard algorithm, and we are going to do 184 divided by 4. This is the dividend. It's the number that's getting divided up, top of the triangle, getting divided up. This is the divisor, the number that is getting divided by, and this here, the answer, is the quotient. So we're dividing, but we're also using multiplication because we're trying to say 4 times what will get us up to 184. So when we look at our steps, does McDonald's serve burgers? We're going to be multiplying because division and multiplication work together. So we're going to divide, multiply, subtract, bring down. Those are the steps we'll follow. Let's get started. So if you're working with me, I want you to be thinking about the questions I ask, say things out loud, push yourself so that it gets easier every time. Pause the video, give it a try, then come check in. Don't just sit and watch. Really try your best and see how much you can learn. Okay? So our first step is to divide. And normally we would start with this 1 right here, and we do 1 divided by 4. But we can't do that because 1 is smaller than 4. So in that case, just do 18. So if that first digit is smaller and you can't do it, just look at it like this, 18 divided by 4. All right, so that's like this, 18 divided by, 18 divided by 4. In other words, 4 times what equals 18? Well, you can't do 4 times something equals 18, but you can get close. Skip count your 4s. How close can you get to 18 without going over? So see that 20? We went over. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times 4 is 16. That's as close as we can get. So 18 divided by 4 is 4 with a remainder. Put that up here on top of the 18. Now, this is the last thing we touched, and we're going to do the next step, which is multiply. 4 times 4 is 16. Now, with the last thing we touched, we're going to subtract. That shows us our remainder, because we couldn't get to 18. We had 2 left over. We need to keep that 2. It's still part of this number here. Next step is going to bring down. So tell me, what are you going to bring down? Look at this. What are you bringing down? We're going to bring down the 4. And now we're going to do 24 divided by 4. So what is 24 divided by 4? If you know your fact families, then you know 4 times something equals 24. 24 divided by something equals 4. If you don't, just skip count till you get there. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 24 divided by 4 is 6. So we'll put our 6 up top. Next step is to multiply. 6 times 4 equals 24. And now we're subtracting to see if there's a remainder, and there is not. If there was, then this would be our leftover, but it fit in perfectly, so we have no remainder. So our answer is 46. And then please make sure that you check it. So we're saying 184 divided by 4 is 46. So therefore you're claiming that 46 times 4 is 184. So we need to check that with multiplication. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 4 is 16. Plus 2 is 18. And there you go. And that's how we use our standard algorithm.